All right, Chef Zac here with you today. And if you notice, we're at a different location than we typically are. We're up here at Soul Potato with a friend of mine, Jake Worley, and he's gonna be helping us out with a nice couple treats for you. We've got, what is it, chocolate zucchini muffins?
Chocolate zucchini muffins and a breakfast oat quinoa cranberry chocolate breakfast cookie as well.
Man after my own heart. All right, we'll go and walk you through this. Stay tuned for it.
Hi, I'm Chef Jake. We're here at Soul Potato Coffee Shop, and we're about to get down on a demonstration on how to make chocolate zucchini muffins. I have all my ingredients prepped out here on mise en place, ready to go. All my dry ingredients and all my wet ingredients together. So we're gonna go ahead and mix, and get started, okay? So first, let me wash my hands real quick. I'll be right back. All right, now that my hands are washed, we're gonna go ahead and get started with mixing the wet ingredients here. We're gonna mix and whisk our eggs, milk, actually heavy cream, applesauce, 1/4 cup. All right, we're gonna add the zucchini here. We got it from Victory Gardens, and you can inquire a lot of different squashes, zucchinis, and stuff into your baked goods as well. So we're gonna go ahead and add this to the wet mix. Give it a mix. We're gonna try our sugar. Mix. Cocoa powder. And now that our wet ingredients is turning chocolatey, we're gonna actually fold our flour to not incorporate too much gluten in there as well, so we can get a nice rise from our muffin. Fold. You don't want to overmix, cause too much gluten. So fold ever so slightly to get a nice incorporation there. I think that's good. A little bit of flour pieces is okay. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my chocolate chips as well. Give it one more initial fold. All right, now that our batter is prepared, we're gonna come over here and you can line your muffin tins, or it's up to you. Just make sure that it's well othered, oil or butter. I always like to use a ice cream scoop for consistency, and you want to go about 3/4 full. All right, and always remember to preheat your oven. It's neat to preheat your oven. I usually like to preheat ovens 350 degrees. These are going for approximately 16 to 20 minutes. You might have to flip it during halfway increments. So every 7 minutes flip and turn. But yeah, we're gonna put these in the oven. All right, and this is the finished product. We have the double chocolate zucchini muffins. And always remember, hot things are always hot. And remember your PPE, your personal protective equipment, which is going to be a hot pad. Always be aware of your surroundings and have that hot pad available. Awesome, enjoy.